We met with our cluster primary colleagues, and we all sat down and we decided that Spanish would be an appropriate L3. We know that there's flexibility with L3, so there is a potential to do other languages in the primary depending on staffing, etc., expertise of staffing in primaries, but at the moment Spanish is our L3.
My colleague Vicky and myself, we put together a programme of CPD for the primary teachers to come up and work on their L3, which is going to be Spanish.
One thing that was really important to us in the first place was establishing some kind of contact with the primary school, because you don't actually get a lot of opportunity to meet up with your primary colleagues and have a good old chat about teaching and learning. We decided that we would then go ahead and have these twilight sessions, and it was my colleague Sharon and I that would deliver them together. And it was quite nice working with Sharon as well and having both of us there together, because it can be a big deal meeting new colleagues and trying to teach adults. It's not really something that we're used to, so it was quite nice having my colleague there for support as well. When the teachers first came up, we really just wanted to find out about what they were doing in the primary schools, because every school's different. We're a little bit in the dark about what they are actually doing, and we thought there would be good practice there that we could build on. So when the teachers came up, the first session we just spoke about, had quite a frank discussion about, what are you doing, what would you like to do, what do you enjoy language learning, because some of them had actually taught French before or were teaching French. Some of them had never done any language learning, so some of them it was brand new doing Spanish. So we got a sense of what they kind of felt were their areas for development.